So the first you must open Microsoft Word MS Office in your Windows computer, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8797. So after typing 87 and 7 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that we have created this symbol that is equal to by definition symbol we have created using this keyboard shortcut. Okay, another method is you must simply type 225D. You must type like this, and after that you must press these two keys at the same time. This is alt key and this is S key, so you must press these two keys at the same time, and you can see that this symbol have been added. For more you can subscribe.